Another quick little hack I figured I would share with everyone is a way to make your home smell like fresh baked cookies. If you like vanilla scented candles, some people like vanilla, some people don't. Personally, I don't like vanilla scented candles, but what I'm about to show you, is completely different and smells like fresh baked cookies. You want your home, apartment, whatever, to smell like fresh baked cookies. Are you a realtor showing houses? This is a great hack. Go into the place before you're showing, do this, it will make the house smell amazing. Just so you know, the reason I'm still rolling around on this chair is because I still have my cast on. For anyone who hasn't watched my previous videos, all you have to do is you take pure vanilla extract. Now be careful with extracts, essential oils, any of that stuff. It's very flammable, so you have to be careful you don't spill it. But just make a little tray, and you can see I've used this before. Just pour a little bit in here in the tray. Put it in your oven, and again, be careful you don't spill it, because again, this stuff can ignite. So be careful. Bake 350, 10 minutes. That's it. Simple. Now your place will smell like fresh baked cookies. Only problem is you might want fresh baked cookies.